Do you want to speak English today? Do you want to feel confident when you talk to new people? Many students feel afraid because they do not have the right words. Today I will give you the keys to open every door. I have 100 simple phrases that will change your life forever. You will never feel lost in a conversation again. Please stay with me until the end. I have a special secret to help you remember everything. Let us begin our journey now. Imagine you are at a large university. You must work with other students on a group project. This is the perfect time to use your new English skills. You can walk to your team and say, "Hello everyone, I am happy to work with you." Or you can ask, "What is our first task today?" If you do not understand a point, you can say, "Please explain that one more time." These simple words show you are a good partner. It is okay to be slow. It is better to be clear than to be fast. Now imagine you need to talk to a professor. Many students feel nervous in the office of a teacher. But you do not need to worry. You can knock on the door and say, "Excuse me, do you have a moment to talk?" This is very polite and professional. If you have a question about your grade, you can say, "Can you help me understand this lesson better?" Teachers love to help students who ask questions. It shows you care about your education. You are doing a great job already. Let us move to the next step. Giving a presentation can feel like a big mountain to climb. But you can start with a simple greeting. "Good morning everyone, today I want to share my ideas with you." If you feel your heart beating fast, just stop and breathe. Use a pause to help your mind. You can say, "Let us look at this first picture." Or you can ask the audience, "Does anyone have a question for me?" When you finish, you can say, "Thank you for listening to my talk." You are becoming a better speaker every minute. Networking is another important skill for your future. Imagine you are at a meeting with many new people. You can walk to someone and say, "Hello, my name is Thomas and I am glad to meet you." You can ask about their work by saying, "What do you enjoy most about your job?" This makes the other person feel special. People love to talk about themselves. You only need to listen and smile. If you want to talk again later, you can say, "It was a pleasure to meet you today. I hope we can speak again soon." These are the bridges that build strong relationships. Let us practice some phrases for daily life. When you are at the store, you can ask, "Where can I find the milk, please?" Or you can say to the person at the desk, "Have a wonderful day." Small words create big changes in your confidence. When you are on the bus, you can ask, "Is this seat free?" If you are at the gym, you can say, "That looks like a very hard workout." You are doing amazing. Always remember that every expert was once a beginner. Do not be afraid to make small mistakes. Mistakes are just lessons in disguise. I want you to try one thing today. Pick 3 phrases from this video and use them with a real person. You will be surprised at how kind people can be. You are building a bright future with every word you speak. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English too. We are a community and we grow together. Thank you for your time and your hard work. I am very proud of your progress. Keep practicing every day. I will see you in our next lesson. Goodbye for now. Happy learning. Imagine you are walking in a beautiful park. The sun is warm and the birds are singing. You see a neighbor who is sitting on a bench. You can walk to them and say, "This is a wonderful afternoon, isn't it?" Talking about the weather is a safe way to start. It helps you feel comfortable before you talk more. If they have a pet, you can say, "Your dog is very cute and friendly." Neighbors like to hear nice things about their pets. You can also ask, "How long have you lived in this neighborhood?" This shows you want to be a good friend. If you see them carrying heavy bags, you can offer help. You can say, "Let me know if you need any help with those." Being kind is a universal language. Now imagine you are at a busy cafe. It smells like fresh coffee and sweet cake. You want to order something delicious, but you are not sure what to pick. You can ask the person behind the counter, "What is your favorite drink here?" Or you can say, "This place has a very nice atmosphere." If the cafe is very full, you can talk to someone at a table. You can ask, "Is anyone sitting here?" After you sit down, you can say, "This coffee is very hot, but it is good." Little conversations like this make your day better. They help you practice your listening too. Let us think about the weekend. Everyone loves to have free time. On a Friday afternoon at work, you can ask your colleagues, "Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?" This is a very common question in English. It helps people feel relaxed. When Monday morning comes, you can ask, "How was your weekend?" If you stayed at home, you can say, "I just relaxed and watched a movie." This is a very honest and good answer. You do not need a big story to speak English. You just need to share a little bit of your life. Sometimes you might meet someone at a party. There are many people talking and laughing. You might feel a little bit shy. But you have your phrases to help you. You can say to a new person, "I love your style." Or you can ask, "How do you know the person who made this party?" This is a great way to find something in common. If the music is loud, you can say, "The music is very energetic today." If you feel tired and want to go home, you can say, "It was very nice to meet you." Always leave with a smile. Let us talk about travel. Imagine you are at an airport or a train station. You need to find your way. You can ask a worker, "Do you know if the train is on time?" If you are on a long bus ride, you can say to the person next to you, "I hope we arrive on time." When you reach your stop, you can say, "Have a safe journey." This is a very kind thing to say to a stranger. It makes the world a better place. Learning English is like building a house. You start with small bricks. Each phrase is one brick. Every day you add more bricks. Soon you will have a strong house. You will be able to talk about many things. You will be able to share your feelings and your dreams. Do not worry about long words. Simple words are very powerful. Native speakers use simple words every day. They want to understand you. They are not looking for mistakes. They are looking for a connection. So please keep going. You are doing something very brave. You are learning a new way to speak to the world. I believe in you. Your family and friends are proud of you too. Take a deep breath. Feel the air in your lungs. You are ready for the next challenge. Every time you speak, you get stronger. Every time you listen, you get smarter. I will be here to help you in every video. We will learn more together. We will explore new places and new ideas. Thank you for being part of this class. You are a star student. See you very soon.